Have you ever thought about how you can invest in something that is completely in your digital world? Cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the financial market, and Generation Z, with all its ability to adapt to technology, is the perfect generation to take advantage of this opportunity. Imagine using your smartphone to invest in something as modern as the social media apps you use every day. If you think cryptocurrencies are complicated or far from your reality, this video is for you. We'll simplify the process, show you how to invest in a simple and practical way, and how to do it on your own time, at your own pace, without leaving your digital universe. Stay until the end and discover how you can tap into the potential of cryptocurrencies to connect to a smarter, more accessible financial future. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that operate in a decentralized way, meaning they don't depend on banks or governments to work. They use a technology called blockchain, which ensures security and transparency for transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009, and since then many other cryptocurrencies have emerged. But how is this relevant to you? Well, you're already used to making online purchases, paying for services using apps, and even interacting with your digital money, right? Cryptocurrencies are like an extension of that, except they have the power to transform your financial future. And the best part, you can do all of this with the same ease you use your social media apps or pay for your coffee online. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not just a trend. For Generation Z, it's a unique opportunity to enter a global, modern market. Unlike traditional investments like real estate or stocks, which require a large amount of capital to get started, you can begin investing in cryptocurrencies with very small amounts, as little as $50 or even less. And what's even better is that as you become more familiar with the market, you can start diversifying your investments, increasing your stake in different cryptocurrencies according to your profile. Now you may be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I start investing safely? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The first step is to create an account on an exchange platform, which is basically a website where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are plenty of reliable exchanges out there like Binance, Coinbase, and Mercado Bitcoin. After that, you'll want to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. It's a very simple process that adds an extra layer of protection. Then, you'll need to choose a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies securely. But what about the risk? The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, which means the value of a coin can rise and fall quickly. This is normal, but it's important to understand that volatility can also present a great opportunity, as long as you know how to handle it. Remember, just like any investment, there are risks involved, but the key is to study, understand the market, and diversify your investments to minimize those risks. That's exactly what more experienced investors do. And speaking of experienced investors, let's take a look at some examples of young people, just like you, who started with little and are already seeing the benefits of cryptocurrency investments. Some young people, around 18, 19, or 20 years old, started investing in Bitcoin and other cryptos back when their value was much lower. Today, those same coins are worth a lot more, and these young people are reaping the rewards of their patience and learning. This proves that when you start early, the chances of seeing great results in the future are much higher. Now that you know how to start and the benefits of investing in cryptocurrencies, it's time to take action. Don't wait any longer to start exploring this digital market that's only growing. Create your account on an exchange, learn about the coins, and begin investing safely and intelligently. And if you're enjoying this content and want more tips on how to leverage the potential of the digital world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's take this financial transformation journey together. Thank you for watching until the end. Now that you know how to invest in cryptocurrencies in a simple and secure way, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Stay tuned for more videos about digital investments and everything you need to know to take advantage of the opportunities out there. See you in the next video.